darlings, here's what we're having for dinner tonight. So my hubby picked up this garlic and herb shrimp. It's marinated in garlic and parsley and oregano. I've shared this with you before. He picked all this up at Giant Tiger. And like I said, we've had this before, so I'm going to do a few of these. Not the whole entire box, but a few of them. So we'll have that. And the Aqua Star Smart Seafood. We've never had these before, but Rob, my husband, he really loves scallops. So these are crunchy breaded scallops, oven ready, free of artificial flavors and preservatives. So we're going to give these a try. I'm going to do the whole box because it's just a little box. So we're going to be doing those. And once again, it's from Giant Tiger. This is another Aqua Star Smart Seafood Butterfly Crunchy Shrimps. And I've shared these before. And once again, it's from Giant Tiger from their frozen section. And we will not do this whole bag. We will do a few of these for the tray, for the seafood tray. And then this is from No Frills. It's by President's Choice. Cod bites, battered wild cod fillets. So I won't do the whole box, just a few of these as well. And like I said, I think my hubby got this from No Frills. And I don't think we've had these before. Let me know if you've tried these, any of these down below. I love this. These, if you ever see these, get them. They're really good. And we'll let you know what this is like. And if you ever see these are good too. Like by pretty much probably any brand. And we'll let you know if these were any good. Plus, we also got the Aqua Star Pacific White Shrimp. These were already cooked. So we're going to have I've already been into some, so we'll have a few that's left from this bag. And then I did also a bag of the Pacific White Shrimp. And these are raw, so I'll be doing, and I did a whole bag of those. So my darlings, here's what we're having for dinner tonight. And you all are welcome to come and join us for this seafood feast that I somewhat made. Well, I made a big thing of mashed potatoes there. And we've got some shrimp, some cooked shrimp, some breaded shrimp, some scallops, some cod bites, and some more shrimp. Yum, yum, yum. And here is some just already cooked shrimp. I forgot to put that in there. So there you have it. It's what we're having for dinner. Oh, I'm so excited. We'll have to let you know how the cod bites and the scallops go. Yum, yum. Hi, my darling. So, just wanted to quickly pop on here and show you, I guess this will be brunch now because it's going on like 11, kind of a brunch breakfast. These little sausages that you're seeing, a co-worker of my husband's gave these to him. They make different meats, I guess, and this is a sausage that has pork and venison in it. So I'm just cooking those up. We're not going to eat them all like in this meal. Then I've got some free run eggs here, and I also have some, if you can see through the plastic, some black beans that I from a can that needs to be used up, and then I grated some extra old cheese, and I'm going to do like scrambled eggs. Well, I'll show you. And I possibly might put some spinach in it too, but I was just, for now, if you can see, I'm just cooking up the sausages. So here's the scrambled mix, I guess you'd say, with the beans, and I did put a little bit of spinach in there, a little oregano. If you have anything that's fresh, that you could use to put in here, go ahead and put it in. This is something easy, but kind of, and you can use stuff up in your fridge if you like that kind of thing. And this would be great for, you know, Mother's Day's coming up. And like I said, we're having with the sausage. So that's a lovely meal, and you can put, I don't know, some crusty bread or toast with it. So here it is plated up, our little brunch. Like I said, it might be nice for Mother's Day. It's nothing really new, but it is, you know, kind of a little fancy. And like I said, you can have whatever leftovers you want. Like if you had some ham or something or bacon left over, put that in there, or any veggies. That would be great too. And also, if you like hot sauce, put a little hot sauce. And I have my little special sauce in there that I might put on mine. So there you have it. That's what we're having for brunch. So that is what we're having for dinner tonight. Thank you so much for joining us. And I hope you have a great night. And let me know what you're having for dinner. I'd love to hear. And I'm so excited. I just love seafood. And if I had fresh lobster, I would be having some. Let me know if you're a lobster lover. I'd love to hear. So here we go. This is what we're having for dinner tonight. Remember, believe in yourself, I believe in you, and you truly will go far. Toodaloo for now, my darlings. Thank you. Thank you for all your love and support. I truly appreciate it. And happy eatings. Oh, I'm so excited. Yum, yum, yum.